Hello, and welcome to this special presentation on developing the habits of successful people. In this video, we're going to delve deep into the practices that have propelled countless individuals towards extraordinary achievements in their personal and professional lives. Get ready to unlock your full potential as we explore these powerful habits together. Are you ready to transform your life and achieve unprecedented success? Let's begin. Success starts with clarity of vision. Successful people are intensely goal-oriented. They know what they want and have a plan. Set daily goals. Reflect and write down objectives each morning. Align actions with ambitions. Keep a journal to track progress. Keep goals in mind throughout the day. Regularly review and visualize achieving them. Consistent focus keeps you motivated. A goal without a plan is just a wish. Set clear, actionable goals for a purposeful day. Successful individuals are results-oriented. They focus on outcomes and pursue excellence. Start your day with a prioritized task list. Tackle critical tasks first without distractions. Remember, 80% of results come from 20% of efforts. Prioritize tasks to invest time in what matters. Avoid multitasking. Focus on one task at a time. This enhances productivity and work quality. Success is not achieved in isolation. It requires collaboration, support, and the ability to build strong, meaningful relationships. Truly successful people understand the value of being people-oriented. They cultivate empathy and genuinely care about the well-being of others. Make a conscious effort to understand the needs and desires of those around you. How can you contribute to their success? By focusing on adding value to others' lives, you'll find that support and cooperation naturally flow back to you. Building strong relationships is an investment that pays dividends in all areas of life. Chapter 4. Prioritizing your health. Your health is your most valuable asset. Prioritize physical and mental well-being for peak performance. Practice mindful eating with nutrient-rich foods. Avoid processed foods and excessive sugar. Exercise regularly, even a brisk walk helps. Rest is crucial. Aim for quality sleep. Chapter 5. The Foundation of Integrity. Character and honesty are not just admirable qualities, they're essential for lasting success. Successful people operate with integrity, building trust and respect in all their interactions. Always strive to tell the truth, even when it's difficult. Your word is your bond. When you make a promise, keep it, no matter what. Honesty and integrity may not always be easy, but they are always right. Building a reputation for trustworthiness will open doors to opportunities and create a solid foundation for success. Chapter 6. The Power of Self-Discipline. Self-discipline is the bridge between goals and accomplishment. It's the ability to do what you should do, when you should do it, whether you feel like it or not. Start by identifying areas where you struggle with procrastination or lack of motivation. Develop a system to hold yourself accountable. This could involve setting deadlines, using timers, or finding an accountability partner. Remember, every time you choose discipline over distraction, you strengthen your self-discipline muscle. Outro: Embrace the journey. Congratulations. You've now been introduced to some of the most powerful habits of successful people. Remember, success is not a destination but a journey of continuous growth and improvement. Embrace these habits, one step at a time, and watch as they transform your life. Start today and never stop striving for excellence. The path to success is paved with dedication, perseverance, and a commitment to continuous learning. Embrace the journey and enjoy the incredible rewards that come with living a truly successful life.